Hello everyone, today I'm going to go ahead and refresh my hair color to a dark brown Wella color charm. This is my go-to when it comes to refreshing my hair color, and I love it because it's a very dark brown. It is more black at first, but it fades like pretty quickly to that dark brown color that I love. I don't like when it's too black. It doesn't look authentic. It looks more fake to me. So my hair is a mess. It's damaged. I did a big mistake and bleached my whole head last summer after I was making so much progress with my curly hair. I ruined it and I'm starting over. So yeah, I went blonde like June, July. And then I put red in it. I hated it. I felt like a clown, like Ronald McDonald. And then I was like, all right, back to dark brown. So the last time I colored my hair dark brown was August the 1st, 2024. It is now December the 2nd, 2024. I do want to say when it comes to the damage, what I've been doing is I have been trimming my ends with my mom, like every month or so, when I remember to, just to cut more and more of the damage off. And I have noticed it is getting curlier. It was pretty straight, like how damaged it was before. It was like wavy straight, and my hair was more so like a 3B 3A type texture before I ruined it. So ultimately I want to get my hair back where it was, to its healthy state. Here you can see my new growth coming in at the roots. There are some grays. So normally I would start with the back of my head when I'm coloring my hair. I'm gonna do these like views, like the middle, like kind of briefly when I start, just to cover those grays, and then I'll do the back and then come back to the front. I've already put it in my mixing bowl. I emptied the whole tube. Look, I threw it out already. I emptied the whole tube in there. It is a 1:2 ratio. And that tube is 2 ounces. So I'm gonna go ahead and put 4 ounces of 10 volume developer in the bowl as well. I have a little measuring cup. So I'm putting 4 ounces in here. I'm going to put some of this color onto my eyebrows, which is how I keep them dark. I do it for only like 5 minutes and then I wash it off while the rest of my hair is going. I do it at the very end, so I'll show you that. I had to look up when I last colored my hair dark brown, when I was sick of all the color, and August 1st, so that's 4 months ago. I was literally dreading my hair. I had instant regret. I was so mad at myself that I damaged it so badly. So like I was honestly putting myself down a lot. Like I made so much progress the year prior. Last year my hairs it looked actually thicker, which my hair is on the finer side. So, you know, I was just mad at myself for like messing that up. But 4 months have gone by. I am seeing the growth come in, so that makes me feel better. Like, it's okay, you can make mistakes. Time heals everything, including your hair. Go ahead and put some gloves on. Don't do this without gloves. I don't know why you would color your hair without gloves. And before I start, I do use petroleum jelly or Vaseline to put around my hairline, my skin, even my cheeks, because I get messy. So even on my neck, I put it all over, and that prevents staining around your brows, your forehead, everywhere. Just do the ear real quick. You can see that the hair color has turned into more of a purple color, a dark purple color. I'm gonna go ahead and get those grays. And now I'm gonna do the back. Okay, so I have the color in. I'm gonna have that in for at least 30 minutes. And while that's going, I'm gonna go ahead and add some color to my brows. I did clean up my face a little bit, actually. I'm gonna clean it up a little, which is why I love using the Vaseline. I just go ahead and right over my brow. These are my natural brows. I just use a Q-tip. I go into the color, grab a little bit. Don't put too much. Obviously, you want to have control over the Q-tip. Like, don't have it like dripping. I mean, it's kind of a thicker consistency, but so with the Q-tip, I'm just gonna go over. And I'll use another Q-tip to clean it up a little bit. I'm just gonna leave this on for 5 minutes on my brows, and then I'll just wash it off while the rest finishes. So this is the result. Obviously, it is very dark. It is going to appear darker at first. I just dyed it. That's gonna lighten up. It'll all be one consistent color as it is right now to a dark brown. But I just like that you don't see all those random colors in there anymore. My grays are gone. And overall, it just makes, even though my hair is damaged, it does make it look a little bit healthier than when it does when there's a whole bunch of stuff going on in there. So I probably won't do this again for a few months, just keeping the color up to date. While I am growing out the damage, I don't want to do a big chop. I've done that before. I do like what I'm doing, just the trimming every month. I feel like it is making a difference, and I am doing these videos kind of for myself to keep track of my progress. I have been doing it throughout my hair journey since 2011, but I've never actually recorded it on YouTube, so that's what I want to start doing. Let me know if you're interested in my hair products, my routine. Obviously, for damaged, fine, curly hair, we're gonna use different products that isn't too heavy for our hair. So if you're interested in any of that, just let me know. I don't know why I'm out of breath. I probably just, because I just came up the stairs. That's probably why. But anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. If you have this far, I appreciate you and I love you. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.